actually. There we go.
Hello viewer, what are you doing tonight? It is New Year's Eve. We're getting ready for 2008. And I suppose if you're watching this, you have nothing better to do than be watching me. It's just, I can't claim it's a very premium occupation for a person such as you. So listen, and to make a cheer to you, good viewer, to you, preacher, who's filming me, and to this lovely vodka we have here, I've been drinking. Alright, well, I hope that you all have a very premium New Year, and an even better 2008, yes? Are you still recording?